Unveiling the Serenity, Exploring Rainforest Retreats. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that conjures images of peace, nature, and rejuvenation. Rainforest retreat. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply someone intrigued by the allure of nature's sanctuaries, this video is for you. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the essence of what makes a rainforest retreat so special. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: rainforest and retreat. Rainforest. A dense, tropical forest that receives a high amount of rainfall throughout the year. Rainforests are known for their incredible biodiversity, housing thousands of species of plants, animals, and insects. They are vital ecosystems that play a crucial role in the Earth's climate and air purification. Retreat. The word retreat has several meanings, but in this context, it refers to a place of privacy or safety where one can find peace and relaxation away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. A retreat is often seen as a sanctuary for rest, meditation, and rejuvenation. When combined, rainforest retreat refers to a secluded getaway located in the heart of a rainforest, offering individuals a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the tranquility and beauty of nature. These retreats are designed to provide comfort, peace, and a deep connection with the natural world. Choosing a rainforest retreat for a vacation or a short getaway offers numerous benefits. Connection with nature. Immersing oneself in the lush landscapes and vibrant wildlife of a rainforest can be a profoundly healing and spiritual experience. Tranquility and peace. The natural serenity of a rainforest environment is unmatched. It's an ideal setting for meditation, yoga, or simply unwinding from stress. Adventure and exploration. For those seeking adventure, rainforest retreats offer a plethora of activities like hiking, birdwatching, and canopy tours, allowing guests to explore the wonders of the rainforest up close. Sustainability and conservation. Many rainforest retreats are committed to sustainability and environmental conservation, providing an eco-friendly travel option for those conscious of their environmental impact. To truly embrace the magic of a rainforest retreat, consider the following tips. Disconnect to reconnect. Take this opportunity to disconnect from digital devices and reconnect with yourself and nature. Embrace the local culture. Many rainforest retreats are located in areas with rich cultural histories. Engaging with local communities can enhance your experience. Participate in guided tours. Expert guides can enrich your understanding of the rainforest ecosystem, helping you spot wildlife and learn about the flora and fauna. Practice mindfulness. Use this time to practice mindfulness and meditation, enhancing your sense of peace and presence in the natural world. We hope this exploration of rainforest retreat has inspired you to consider such a destination for your next journey of relaxation and discovery. Rainforest retreats offer a unique blend of tranquility, adventure, and connection with nature that can rejuvenate the mind, body, and soul. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the beautiful English language and the natural world. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.